we doing, herbivores? My name is Tyrone. This is Cairo. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and review of the Meta Oculus Quest 2. Very fine piece of technology, I love it. Very addicted to it. And we're gonna demonstrate gameplay of Creed, Rise to Glory, fun boxing game. Stay tuned, I'm very excited. What an epic moment. Ecstatic. Got the Oculus Quest 2. I'm gonna unbox this bad boy. Also got the Quest 2 Elite strap with battery and carrying case. So I loaded up. I had to see what this was talking about, man. Here we go. Let's take a look at the over here. This is what's inside the box. List of games. Easy setup. Epic. Okay. So I guess this doesn't slide out or anything. So, okay, yeah. All right. There we go. There she blows. Let's see. Okay, we got the Oculus headset. I believe this is the silicone face cover. Okay. Very light. That's pretty smooth, man. Dope. All right, that's that. I'm gonna put this bad boy on. All right, about to crack open our strap, the extra battery and carrying case. That's nice. Wow. Very nice. That feels like quality. Okay, so we got a zipper action. All right. Okay, so you got the inside of the carrying case. That is very smooth. All right, so we're gonna put all this together and see what we come up with. I've been gaming all of my life, ever since I got my hands on a few of these bad boys. The Meta Oculus Quest 2 has rejuvenated my love for gaming, and I especially love the idea of using the Oculus as a tool to reach your health and fitness goals. The Oculus can track your calories you've burned and how long you've been physically active in a real-time in-game overlay. Just to outline a few of the benefits of VR gaming. First off, it provides a realistic experience. You don't sit in front of a screen and stare at it for hours. After putting on your headset, it feels as if you're actually in the new environment and having a realistic experience. Secondly, it helps burn calories. Instead of sitting on the couch for hours with a controller, VR gaming enables you to be physically active while experiencing all the fun of traditional games. VR games combine physicality and technology in such a way that users are engaged with the immersive environment and inclined to play longer, push themselves harder, and develop a regular routine. If you want to improve your overall wellness, VR is a great way to infuse more physical activity into your daily routine with minimal adjustment to your lifestyle. Tonight, I'm gonna strap in and I'm gonna show you the gameplay of Creed Rise to Glory. Are y'all ready for this? Let's get it.
for the main event. Two of the world's finest boxers are about to clash. In the blue corner, Ivan Drago. In the red corner, Adonis Hollywood Creed. Ladies and gentlemen, the fight is about to begin!
Let's keep this above the belt and inside the ring. Ready? The fight starts as soon as you touch gloves.
That's the starting bell, and the fight is underway.
He delivers a light tap, but he'll need to hit his opponent harder than that to do some real damage.
Stand it, kid. God, sweet. Just like that, Johnny.
He's not leaving anything open for his opponent.
Give all you got.
Creed drives a hard punch right through his opponent.
1, 2, 3.
Blow after blow, blocked again. If Creed can get those fists to his hands up.
Dig deep, kid.
Creed keeps those hands up.
1, 2. Keep moving.
Don't let up.
That's how it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you do it, Donnie.
Block. If Creed doesn't get his fist up, those blows are going to keep coming. More punishment. Can this fighter take tonight?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Expert watch from Creed.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah.
That's how you do it, Donnie.